If you are building or refreshing a performance-focused interior, small details make a big difference. This Speed by Spectre chrome shifter installation plate is designed to give your manual transmission setup a clean, finished look while delivering the durability demanded by racing and track-driven vehicles. Inspired by real motorsports experience, this simple but effective component does exactly what it is meant to do, without unnecessary complexity. Constructed from high-quality chrome-plated steel, this installation plate is built to last. It resists corrosion, handles heat and vibration well, and maintains its appearance even in harsh driving conditions. Designed to cover openings up to 2 3/4 of an inch by 3 3/4 of an inch, it is ideal for custom builds, restorations, and track cars where factory trim pieces may no longer fit or are no longer needed. The polished chrome finish adds a sharp, professional look that complements both classic and modern interiors. Installation is straightforward and flexible. The plate includes mounting screws, allowing you to secure it easily after drilling mounting holes. Many users also choose to rivet it in place depending on their application. With a bit of lubrication, it slips smoothly over common 5-speed shifter setups, making it a practical solution for DIY builders who want reliable results without hassle. Speed by Spectre, known as the 400 miles per hour company, designs every product with performance in mind. Rooted in racing, their parts are engineered to perform as good as they look, and this shifter plate is no exception. It may not be flashy, but it delivers solid function, durability, and a clean finished appearance where it matters most. If you need a dependable, no-nonsense shifter plate for your manual transmission project, this Speed by Spectre chrome installation plate is a smart choice. Check the link in the video description to see current pricing and details. Subscribe to the channel for more performance parts, build ideas, and practical upgrades that truly make a difference.